Elvin, how do you keep your Mercedes so clean? It looks brand new. It's the question I get all the time from you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact process I follow to keep this car in a perfect condition. I'm going to talk about how I wash this car, how I vacuum this inside. I'm going to share practical tips and tricks which will make your life much easier when it comes to cleaning your car. My car is 2007 Mercedes E63 AMG. The car is 18 years old and it's in pristine condition. I would say it's like 8.5 out of 10, both mechanically and cosmetically. Given the fact that I live in Massachusetts where we get a lot of salt, dirt, and I drive this all year round, it's in a great condition, and I'm gonna explain the exact process which you can follow to keep your car in a great condition. Even if your car is not in perfect condition right now, this video is going to be applicable to you because it's going to help you to maintain the car at that same level that it's in today, or even improve it a little bit. So let's start with the exterior washing. What can you do to avoid scratching and destroying the paint and clear coat? So many people make a lot of mistakes, so pay attention and do not make those mistakes. One step you can do to improve the process of washing the car and make your life easier is to invest in a power wash. Hopefully you can see it, and you don't have to buy an expensive power wash or anything. You can if you want to have a professional one. I'm using this one, like, which is from Harbor Freight. This is like $100 or something around that. It's not the best power wash, but it gets the job done. And frankly, no power wash is going to get your car completely clean. The best thing that cleans the car is the muscle grease. So now when it comes to washing, hand washing, the best thing you can do to keep your car's paint in a perfect condition is to have two buckets. Two bucket method is the best for washing cars manually. And the reason you need two buckets is because one is going to be filled with like clean soapy water. Another one is going to be filled with just like the dirty water. Initially it will be clean, but it will get dirty later. So you dip your micro towel, which is a cheap Timu one, by the way, and it works perfect, and you start washing from top down. Not like too many strokes, just like maybe like one, like 12 by 12 area at first, and then you put it in the other bucket. Make sure you rinse it over there in the dirty bucket, you wring it out, and then dip into the clean bucket and start the process again, top to bottom. That's the best method. That's the method that professionals use for professional cleaning of the car. When you wash your car, it helps to hose it down with the power wash at first, and for power wash I use Sonax concentrate. This is the best stuff, guys. This is the best stuff. It's not an advertisement. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description box down below, and if you buy it from Amazon or something, I'll get pennies in commission from Amazon, but it's not advertisement for Sonax itself. So Sonax is really good. The reason I like this product specifically is because it's a concentrate. You use like little bit, like 1-2 ounces to wash the entire car. So this bottle right here should last me like, I don't know, 50-60 washes or something like that, and it makes a great like thick foam. I love it. As for the foam cannon, I use this one. It's not like branded anything, it's like Chinese stuff of Amazon, but it works perfect. It works better than most of the like branded ones that they sell for 60-70 bucks. So check the link down in the description. Now, as for drying the car after you wash it, this towel right here, guys, this is a miracle. I don't know, it's something magical, truly. All you have to do is just like this, and it cleans dries the car so well. Nothing works as good as this. Link in the description box. Okay, but now that you've cleaned the car, you've dried it, you need to apply some sort of wax or ceramic spray. I use this brand, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating. This is the best stuff for the money. Almost as good as the professional ceramic coatings. The Project Farm, the YouTube channel, have tested this extensively, and here's the reason why I actually tried this. For the money, nothing beats it. Link in the description. The water just beads up, doesn't stick to the paint. I applied it like maybe like 3 months ago, and it's still on the paint. And let's talk about how to clean the car under the hood. As you can see, I actually need to clean it over here. It's actually filthy, but that's okay. This is my daily. You are not here to judge the cleanness of my car from this particular video. You can check out all my videos to see how good my car usually looks. But one mistake a lot of people make is that they just like spray the hell out of it. When it comes to M156 specifically, you do not want to do that. This AMG engine, this intake manifold is prone to corrosion. If you know, you know. If you didn't know, you know now. So that's why we do not want to just hose it down. A lot of people just cover electronics and use power wash or something. If it's like really filthy, maybe as an exclusion you can do it. But for general upkeeping, you should not be doing that, because the water will get trapped under the intake manifold, and there are foams between the engine block and the intake manifold to reduce vibrations, and that foam retains moisture and causes corrosion. So what you have to do for cleaning under the hood is to use one of these things. This is just like a sprayer. I'll leave the link in the description box. This allows you to spray a fine mist, and what I do is I make myself a can or bucket of soapy water. Dishwasher detergent works the best. Make it a little concentrated, a little foamy and less watery. And using a fine brush, clean the surface. Now you can remove the air boxes, the cover, remove the filter, wash it aside, let it dry. That's all fine. That's the biggest advice I can give to you when it comes to cleaning under the hood of W211 E63 AMG. And if you have like grease and detergent, the dishwasher detergent doesn't cut it, you can use engine degreasers. Once again, be careful to not spray anything on the electronics. This car is 18 years old, man. It's older than some of you watching this video. Now you're gonna love this section of the video, guys, and I promise you're gonna learn something new about cleaning the interior of your car. I would say the interior of my W211 AMG is in the best condition among all W211 AMGs I get to see, and as a content creator, I get to see a lot of them. Now, how do I do that? How do I maintain it? First of all, I was lucky to get it in good shape, but I've had this car for 7+ years. How do I maintain it, right? The first thing is, let's talk about the vacuuming. I use this one, like Armor All vacuum cleaner, the best bang for the money. It comes with like 25 attachments, not literally, but and they are so useful. My favorite attachment is this one. Let me show you. Now look at it. Look at this condition of this seat. And the driver's seat looks exactly the same. I'm just like filming the passenger seat because this one has better lighting. It's very clean, nice and matte. A little bit wrinkles here, but that's acceptable. But there's no cracks, nothing. And I'll fix it very soon, and you will see how I fix it. So one mistake people make is that they do not clean their seats properly. They use like, you know, like the plastic ends of the vacuum cleaner. They scratch the paint, and that's a big no. You don't want to do that. And you have to like really like clean all these seams very carefully. Make sure like you separate it like this with your fingers, and using the soft end of this vacuum cleaner, vacuum really well. All the dirt and stuff that accumulates in here serves as an abrasive and destroys the seat. I promised you that I'm gonna show some tips and tricks. So here's tips and trick number one. Inside the armrest had always been one of the hardest parts for me, because once you remove it, vacuuming everything around here is really hard. And what a lot of people don't know is that this insert is actually removable. To remove it, you push on these two tabs over here, you pull it out, and then you can vacuum here much nicer. You can clean this outside, wash it, but then cleaning those like rubber mats has been a challenge. Turns out that you can just like push your finger through here, just like this, pop them out and wash them, and then slide them back. Once I learned it, it was like I hated myself for not trying that before. Because for this compartment right here, you can actually slide this out just like this and wash it and slide it back in. Another hard to reach surface of the interior when it comes to vacuuming has always been for me like this area, and also like under the seat. To help with that, you want to push the seat all the way forward and also lift it up all the way. So once you raise the seat, you will have additional space, additional access to over here, as well as to clean under the car over here using this attachment. But if you push the seat all the way forward, it should give you even more access to cleaning that hard to reach surface. So now I can access that annoying area from here, and then also raising and pushing the seat forward like this gives me additional access to clean this area under the seat. Check this out, guys. See how clean these surfaces are over here. No single scratch. You just want to make sure that you avoid scratching this surface in general. Using that soft end of the vacuum, I just vacuum it, and then using a nice microfiber, I use the McGuire's product. The link in the description. Works great, leaves nice clean surface. matte clean surface without making it shiny. So a great product to use. Now, after you've vacuumed and cleaned the interior, I highly recommend that once a year you apply this product called Leatheric on all leather surfaces. I have a whole video showing how to use this exactly. Check out the description. It's so easy to use, the best stuff, natural. The product has been in the market since 1968 and is one of the best things out there. I was sold on it after I saw a professional detailer use it in ample amounts on the expensive seats of a Rolls Royce. So great stuff, really helps to restore that like factory finish of the leather, makes it look brand new and cleans at the same time. Guys, I cannot stress enough the importance of cleaning the drain ports over here under the bonnet as well as your moonroof over here. You want to make sure all of these areas are clean from debris, as otherwise when they're clogged, water will spill over and find its way somehow into the interior. It has happened to me in my old car and it has happened to many W211 owners. So make sure this area is always leaf and dirt free. It's filthy right now, but I want to talk about cleaning the rims. When it comes to cleaning the rims, for a long time I could not find a good product that could get rid of the baked on brake dust and rust until I found this product. This works miracles. The only thing is they are stinky, so make sure you evacuate everyone in the radius of 5 miles before using it, but they work miracles. You will need power wash or you will need to brush it with your hand, but they work great. When it comes to cleaning aluminum and chrome bits, nothing beats Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. This product works great. Get this product and also steel wool and it will be miracles for you. Now that you've learned how to keep these cars in great shape cosmetically, it's time to learn how to keep them in perfect shape mechanically. Check out the link down in the description box and I'll see you in the future episodes.